All right, we're back again. We are now 2 days away from leaving for the ice cream cruise with a lot to do. Chad's over here helping. We are gonna go ahead and install our Fortune Auto coilovers. These things are gorgeous. I believe they were the 510 series. I gave Fortune Auto the weights of the car and what we're gonna be doing with it. They hand built this whole complete setup, Swift springs, spherical heads, all the absolute good stuff. So this should be an awesome suspension, way better than the $200 max speeding rods junk, which had a bolt brake on it, so the car has been all over the place. We're gonna go ahead and just jack up the front and the rear, throw good Harbor Freight jack stands underneath of it, and then get started getting the suspension off. Check in a minute. Chad's working on this side. It's got the spring and perch in. Woo! Spring settling, I hope. Delete. Delete. Oh yeah. Oh. They give you the washer too?
No, this one didn't have a washer. Oh. It was just that and a lock washer under my.
Oh, there it is.
The same chicken and the grills.
Yep. Alright, so we have the rear end done. Right here, it's pretty simple, going fast. Right there, got the strut, then got the spring, everything in there. The ride height is going to be completely off, but we'll wait until we drop the car down and then adjust all of that stuff. Then over here we started, gotten it loose. See how crappy those coilovers were. And then over here, we already got this other side out. Oh, that's nice, Chad. Yeah, just a little tight. But then, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Here's the side right here. So we're just gonna get that slid right in.
You're gonna need alignment, Kyle.
Oh, yeah. You gonna persuade her? You good?
Persuade harder.
All the persuasion. All right, went ahead and we slapped that out really quick. Probably took us like an hour total. We got all the back done, and we went ahead and put in our new extended lug studs, and they're a little bit stronger as well. Coming up to the front, got all this in here. It's looking really, really nice. Difference between a $200 one and a $3,500 one. Then right there and right around here. The quality on these things are so extremely nice. Studs all around. So now I'm going to go ahead, get the tires back on the car and put it on the ground and see what it looks like. Alright, Klaus is back on the ground, looking good. The front needs to be raised up though, I think. What do you think, like a half inch? Maybe a half inch. Yeah, it's pretty low in the front, but probably got 8 inches underneath the car of clearance.
I mean, it looks good, but the rake is...
Yeah, it's pretty aggressive. Looking good. We are going to go ahead and go for a drive and see how well it is. Hopefully nothing breaks. Seems like it's all good. Fortune Auto did a very good job on these. I love it. Alright guys, that is a wrap for today. Took Klaus around the block. It's driving real good. It's feeling really nice. I just need to raise up the front. And yeah, we couldn't even drive that far because it was misfiring so bad because these plugs are completely done for. But now today is Wednesday. Hopefully tomorrow we got a friend in town. We can get on the dyno and maybe tune it. And then Friday, leaving bright and early in the day. So still a lot of work to do. Got some buttoning up, flex fuel sensors, just random things to get done. Hopefully tomorrow we record a dyno video and the car works fine, but we'll find out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching guys. We will see you later.